Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Learning Path. This is Dr. B. Meena, Head Department of Commerce and Vice Principal Ship 1 from Petition College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to have a discussion. What are the important items to be related to the cost accounting, like what is cost center, cost unit, profit center, and what do you mean by cost reduction, how it is differ from cost control. Before I'm going into this discussion, I request all the participants to click the I button on the top to watch my previous videos on cost accounting. What is cost center? It is a term which includes various departments, both production as well as service departments. Process like there are many processes in a company. So process, work orders, operations, mission center, areas, or the regions of sales, warehouse, persons, etc. In relation to which the costs are going to be ascertained, are going to be computed or accumulated. That is called as cost center. So cost center simply signifies the various departments related to a company. It can be classified into the following four types. The types are impersonal cost center, personal cost center, operation cost center, or the process cost center. What do you mean by impersonal cost center? It's a cost center which consists of a location or the item of equipment, that is impersonal. Personal cost center is one which is opposite to the impersonal cost center, which consists of a person or a group of person. Operation cost center is one which consists of those machines and the persons carrying out the similar operation, that is called it as operation cost center. Process center is one which consists of specific process or a continuous sequence of operations, or call it as process cost center. So everybody one who's studying cost accounting without knowing the cost center meaning, if you are studying, means it is at a base. So know the meaning of cost center. It's a term which includes all the departments in the production process. So the cost center may be a personal or impersonal, or it may be a operation as well as process cost center. Next, we'll discuss what do you mean by profit center. Before going into explanation given for the profit center, I want to highlight the meaning of the cost unit also. The main purpose of cost unit is that collection of cost and their allocation to be the selected cost unit is known as total cost. So how this cost unit is going to be consider in each and every type of firms means, say for example, you can take the example of industry. Steel means the cost unit is either ton, is as well as for sugar also. Chemicals, we can have the cost unit like either liter or gallons. Automobiles means we can have the cost unit is in the term of numbers. Brickworks means in the term of 1,000 bricks, we can use it as a cost unit. So try to understand what do you mean by cost unit also simultaneously. Next, we'll have that is a discussion about the profit center. What is profit center? It is a segment of a business responsible for all activities involved in the production and sales of the products and services. Simultaneously, it is responsible for revenues as well as costs. It is created for evaluating the performance of each and every division. It has autonomy for decisions concerned with the center. So this is all about the profit center. Next, we'll go and discuss about what do you mean by cost control, how the cost control is going to be cost reduction. Already I gave a discussion that is on the what do you mean by cost control in the previous video. Cost control is a kind of technique usually followed by many companies in order to ensure the efficiency of operation by checking there is no wastage of material or the labor, that is called as cost control. So how they will ensure this process means, we need to discuss what are the elements of cost control. setting up the standard is the first element. That is one of the first step that under the cost control process we need to follow. What is the standard? Either what is the standard metal cost, what is the standard labor cost? We need to fix it. And once you actual performance, I mean the material cost incurred or the labor cost incurred actually, that has to be compared with the standard. So here the process is we need to set the target, or we need to estimate or the standard to be fixed. What could be the material cost, what could be the labor cost, and this standard has to be compared with the actual cost. And then when you're comparing, definitely there are three possibilities. Either the actual cost is more than the standard, or par with the standard, that is equal to the standard, or lesser than the standard. So when you are that is analyzing, that is the variations, why the deviations, the actual is not equal to the standard, either it is more or less, means we are supposed to analyze the reasons for that, because some deviations is not favorable to the company, some deviations are unfavorable to the company. So we need to analyze the reasons also. Then only we can initiate some corrective action to eliminate the causes of variances and ensure effective future performance. So these are all the elements of cost control I want to highlight in this video. Next, what are the techniques usually the companies will follow to have a control over the cost? Material control, labor control, overhead control. What do you mean by overheads? All indirect expenses, or call it as overheads. So how we can have a control over the indirect expenses and budgetary control, standard costing, marginal costing, productivity and accounting ratios. So these are the techniques available for the companies. Based on the nature of the company, they can adapt any kind of technique to have a control over the costs. Next, when we are talking about the cost control, we must know the meaning of cost reduction. How the cost reduction meaning is different from cost control. Reducing the cost without affecting the quality of the product is only known as cost reduction. But cost control, what do you mean by cost control? We are setting the standard or the estimation for each and every expenses, and we are going to compare the actual expenses amount with the standard. That is cost control. But cost reduction is we are trying to reduce cost, either the material cost or the labor cost, but simultaneously we need to ensure without affecting the quality of the product. So what are the features of a cost reduction? Which one is what and all we request to follow when we are going to reduce the cost? It must be genuine and real. And second one is quality of the product should not be disturbed. And third one is permanent reduction ways of cost reduction. It should not be a temporary reduction. It should not be a temporary reduction. It should be a permanent reduction ways of cost reduction. So these are all the important features of a cost reduction. And then what are the techniques of cost reduction? Look at the techniques I mentioned here: budgetary control, standard costing, standardization of products and tools and equipments, improvements in design, material control, labor control, overhead control, automation, operation research, market research, value analysis, quality measurement, and research. So these are the techniques available to have a reduction in our cost in order to ensure the profitability in future. So these are techniques we can make use based on our nature of the business, which technique will be suitable for our company to reduce the cost. Let me discuss about what are the advantages of cost reduction. Simultaneously, you know very well, only the companies one who is able to reduce the price, that is, then only they can survive for a long period in a market. Which companies can set as competitive price for their products? Means those companies one who are able to reduce the cost of production, those companies only can fix the competitive price for the products. Then automatically if the competitive price is fixed, means automatically they can sustain in the market, their profitability can improvise. Availability of goods at cheaper rates. So when you're able to reduce the cost of production than your competitor, means then automatically customers will realize your products are available at a cheaper rates. Also, it will be very helpful in facing the competition, more revenue to the government by way of taxation on profit. So this is profit. Once again, so I will change that profit. That is a spelling mistake. Increase in okay. So what are the other advantages of cost reduction? Means the more revenue to government by way of taxation on profit. When the profits are more, then automatically the government can impose more tax on those companies. This benefit will go to the government, and as well as when a company is able to sustain in the market, domestic market means automatically they may have an idea to enlarge their markets in foreign countries also. So automatically there may be increase in exports as well as the productivity. So these are the main advantages of a cost reduction. And what are the differences between cost control and cost reduction? Is it same? It is not at all same. Cost control is different from cost reduction. And what are the differences between the cost reduction and cost control? The very first difference I can differentiate between these two terms, that is based on objective. What is the objective of cost control means? Is to achieve the preset cost, whereas the cost reduction aims at reduction of cost to have an economy on the cost. So here the cost reduction, they will try to reduce the material cost, they will try to reduce the labor cost or other expenses. But objective of cost control is to achieve the preset, the determined estimated cost to achieve the predetermined cost, whereas the cost reduction aims at reducing the cost. Okay. Then second difference is based on the procedure we are following. Cost control is a routine exercise to achieve operational efficiency. It's a routine, okay. But cost reduction aims at permanent savings in cost by a continuous process. The next, when you're talking about the process involved in cost control is to lay down the targets or the standards and find the actual performance to compare the targets with and initiate the corrective action. But cost reduction is concerned with the maintenance of performance according to standards. That is the third difference between the cost control and cost reduction on the basis of process. The next, based on the function, uh, function of cost control is static, whereas the function of cost reduction is dynamic. And fifth one, bearing on the past and present. The main emphasis on cost control is on past and present, whereas the main focus of cost reduction is present and future. Try to differentiate that cost control based on the past and the present actual performance, but cost reduction is on the present as well as future. That is a main difference. The last difference is nature. Based on nature, cost control is a preventive function and reduction is the corrective function. This is the main difference between the cost control and cost reduction. uh, Thank you for watching my video. See you again in next video. Stay home, stay safe, subscribe my channel, click the bell button. Thank you.